Peace everyone, welcome back to my channel Millionaire Hustle. In this video we're going to see if you can actually earn money from Amazon affiliate program by promoting Amazon products on Pinterest. First I'm going to show you how to create an account on Amazon affiliate program. Then we will create a new Pinterest account and start posting pins on Pinterest. I will show you how with this easy method you can easily post 100 Amazon products on Pinterest per day. So let's get started. Okay, let's head over to Google and type in Amazon Affiliate Program UK. In the search results, click on the first result and then this will open up this page. In this page there's a lot more information about Amazon Associate Program and Amazon Affiliate Program. So here we are on the Amazon Associate Program page. As you can see, all you need to do is sign up, recommend Amazon products to your followers, and when anyone using your link buys a product from Amazon, you earn a commission from Amazon. So once you click sign up, you will land on the Amazon sign in page. You can create a new account or use a previous Amazon account that you have. Once you click on create new account, it will come up on the screen. You will just need to provide all of your information, then click on the next button. Now you're going to add in any of your websites or any of your social media that is going to drive traffic to Amazon. If you don't have anything, don't worry, we're going to create a Pinterest page now that will drive traffic to this Amazon page. You create a new Pinterest page and link that here. Click on sign up or login and then continue with your Google account. I'm using my Millionaire account, so I will just sign up with that. It tells you to give in your real birthday, so just provide that and then you just signed up. It asks you a few more information about yourself, such as your gender, where you're based, and a little bit of more information about what you're interested in. So give it some information and then you're all set and good to go. Once you have successfully signed up to Pinterest, click on the right hand side, get your username and paste that into the Amazon website and click on next. Next, create a preferred associate ID for Amazon and tell Amazon a little bit more information about the content and the type of content you create. Add in all of this information and click finish. This will generate a new Amazon associate account for you. As you can see, you need to do 3 sales for Amazon for you to be accepted to the account. I'm just going to show you the Amazon's dashboard. You can see I've got 0 clicks and 0 sales at this moment. Now I'm going to head over to Pinterest. This is the Pinterest upload page. I'll just show you how you can get this. So if you click on the top left corner on the create pin, it will open up this menu, and here you just need to click on the create pin button and that will show you this upload page. Now I have already opened up a couple of Amazon products. They're all movies on Blu-ray or DVD. So for example, such as Aquaman, Titanic, Oppenheimer, and a couple of others. So I'll quickly show you how you can upload these Amazon products onto Pinterest. So let's first click on Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. You'll just need to click on the picture to enlarge it. Once you've enlarged the picture, you can just drag and drop it onto Pinterest. This will upload the picture of the DVD onto Pinterest. Now all you need to do is give it some title and description, which we will just copy it from the Amazon listing. After signing up to Amazon affiliate program, you will see this site stripe bar at the very top. We will use this to get an associate link for this product. So for Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, I'll just click on this text link and this will give me a unique URL which promotes this product and tells Amazon that I am the one who's selling this product. These are all the informations we need to add. You may add some tags like action movies or anything relevant to your product. Hit publish and that will publish this listing on Pinterest. Once it has been published, just refresh your page and you'll be able to see all of the pins that you have published. For me, I've published a little bit of products. You'll just need to refresh your page to see this pin. Once you click on this pin, you'll be able to see a link at the very top. If anyone clicks on this link, it will take them to the Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom Blu-ray DVD page with our link. So that's it for this video. I will give you an update after a week, so please tune in then. Thanks for watching. See you. Peace.